XYZ stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very, very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at block or XYZ ticker symbol, 20% correction is not small, dude. You know, not small at all. Like, it's a lot. And genuinely looking at this is how my chart's looking like. Yes, we were inside a demand zone, and yes, we never got the confirmation to buy, never bought, because there was no confirmation. So how's this going to look like? Well, as I'm just observing this, I'm also looking at this as sort of a demand zone as well, right? If now even this demand zone does not hold, then I mean, I guess I'm just going to put the boots up, right? I'm just kidding, but yeah, currently, surely it's like one heck of a bearish range. Only if I see some proper double breaks above $59 and onward am I going to really begin to buy or anything. But other than that, this is all just pure noise. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.